Hello everyone, my name is Higa. I am right now in Cape Verde and I'm going to show you guys how to grow hydroponic tree collards. This is me. I hope you see. First, what you gotta do, you gotta get a tree collard cutting. I don't know if you can see this. You get a tree collard cutting, and then you trim the bigger leaves, and you let just the smaller ones, the smaller leaves, and then you put it in a cup with clean sand, like this, and you make sure there are some holes in the cup. Right in Cape Verde, I haven't seen anyone selling net cups, so I had to make my own. So I made these holes using hot iron. You can see them. And then you gotta get some kind of container. Right now we're using this juice cartoons, and which I put some water in it, and then I just make sure the bottom of the cup is in contact with the water, at least by 1 inch, 1 inch and a half. And these ones right now I have these cuttings. I had them for like 2 days, so they haven't rooted yet. This other one that I'm gonna show you, as you can see, it can grow quite big. As you can see here, I have this for maybe 1 month and a half, like 2 months maybe. And as you can see, it grew quite well. The only problem that I have with this right now is that, I don't know if you can see this, but the net cup I made from yogurt cups, and they are not very big. As they're not very big, they can't hold the weight of the plant. Because I wasn't expecting the plant to go this massive too. It's, as you can see, it's quite big. And also, I should have used a bigger bucket. This bucket holds like 10 liters of water. I should have used like maybe 15 liters at the least. Because when you put this on the water, you got to make sure you can see the roots right here. Yep. As you can see, the plant cannot hold itself up because of the wind. As you can see, you got to make sure when the roots are in the water, that a part of the roots are above water, so they can absorb oxygen. This is how the plant will look like when it's in water. Okay. So basically, this is it. Tree collards, as you can see, do very well in hydroponics. This is the Kratky method of hydroponics I've been using, and also you have to make sure that you get the right nutrients for the plant. In Cape Verde, it's not easy to get a hold of hydroponic nutrients, so I had to make do with nutrients that is used for filter irrigation, and I adapted them, and I got some Epsom salt and some calcium nitrate added to it, and that's how I managed to grow this plant. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day and be well. Oh. Bye.